Hello guys, hope we are all doing well, fine and wonderful. In today's tutorial video, we are learning how to go about the Yango drivers app as a new or even an existing driver. This is the simplest and the modified way of using the app simply and easily. So you first of all need to go online in order to get a request or a trip. So we have to go online. So you can see go online, you tap over there in order to go online. So when you are online, you must wait for a request. So we are online waiting for a request. So let's see whether we will be getting a request. Let's wait a while and see. Okay, so we've successfully gotten a ride. So we just tap on where the accept it. So we tap on it in order to accept this route.
Turn right.
So the map will automatically direct us to where the person is. So we can, before even getting there, we can message. Before we get there, we can even message. So before we even get there, we can message the passenger, telling him or her that we are coming. So we can see the rider's name is Yakubu. The rider's name is Yakubu. You can message him or call him or even have access to the safety tools.
In 300 meters, roundabout, second exit.
So we are using the Yango's map. So the time is also reading for us to see. The time is reading so that we can see the progress.
In 300 meters, turn left.
So we should be there in 1 minute 13 seconds. So
Turn left. Route recalculated. In 300 meters, turn left.
Okay. So it seems we delayed on the way. So we are finally here so we can arrive the trip. Okay.
Turn left.
So after arriving the trip, you can start your ride.
Welcome to Yango. For safety purposes, we record the car's route during the trips. Enjoy your ride.
So the map will direct you
Route
wherever you are
recalculated.
going.
In 300 meters,
So
turn
step
right
right
and then
into
turn left.
cities over there. And we are heading towards Jesus House Chapel.
Turn right and then turn left. Route recalculated.
So you can also see the speed limit. So in town driving is normally 50 kilometer per second. So you can maintain or use this speed meter to maintain your speed also.
No internet connection. Internet connection restored.
Turn left and then turn around. Route recalculated. Turn left. Route recalculated.
It depends on the trip you are going and how long it will.
In 300 meters, turn right.
So we are almost at our destination because the passenger is no longer going to where he has entered, and there is no way for us to also change it unless the passenger does that, and the passenger is not having his phone with him. So we just have to drive and end the trip and see outcome.
Order is canceled.